Welcome, men and women. Well, we are in a video that tenant has sent of a malfunctioning dishwasher.
Mal funcionamiento del lavavajillas.
Seems that it has no power. So the first thing you checked was to see if it had salt. Because if it doesn't have salt, doesn't work, then you will check to see if there is salt. You will refill the salt tank and then you will look at the electrical panel where the differentials are, in case any of them are down.
De sal, y va a mirar luego el cuadro eléctrico donde están los diferenciales por si alguno está bajado.
So, if it turns out that after all this it still doesn't turn on, then you'll have to call a technician, warranty, etc. Because it is a dishwasher that is not even a year old.
No tienen un año.
So, well, there we see the deposit that has no salt. So what you're going to do is fill it out, etc., etc. Therefore, this type of video is very important to prove the condition in which an appliance is malfunctioning and for the tenant to have proof that he is not responsible for the deterioration or loss of the rented item.
Del deterioro o pérdida de la cosa arrendada.
Because if not, it would be their fault.
Y para que
And so that there are no minor repairs, which would be the responsibility of the tenant.
del inquilino
Minor repairs due to ordinary use, ordinary wear and tear.
desgaste ordinario.
In this case, if a technician had to be called to refill the dishwasher tank, it would be a small repair attributable to the tenant.
De lavavajillas pues sería una pequeña reparación imputable al inquilino.
If it turns out to be old, as it appears to be, or some electrical issue, it is not so obvious and this would have to be paid for by the owner.
El propietario. Así que
So if you have any questions related to these matters, please contact us on WhatsApp 69302396.
contacten al WhatsApp 693023926 que por muy poquito, desde audio,
That, for very little, we will answer you with audio or video call.